My name is Abdullah.
We are from Pakistan.
I come from Pakistan. Black man, Pakistan. The sun is very hot in Saudi Arabia. Like this. I come from Pakistan and
Saudi Arabia. Why?
Islamabad.
Can you say something about Pakistan?
Oh,
What's your message for Pakistani people? Because we are here to support you.
The people in Pakistan come here in Saudi Arabia. Very good.
Okay, you can speak a little bit in Arabic, no problem. Yalla.
I am not to speak Arabic, not to speak English. I am not to speak معلوم لبنان.
أيوة.
أنا لبنان بيروت. معلوم بيروت.
أيوة.
أنا بيروت. But the sun is very hot.
Here in
I
Saudi
was
Arabia.
born in Beirut.
Okay.
Yes.
So before you were white or what?
Yeah, the sun is.
Then
لبنان.
because of sun? No way. Yeah.
خرج برشتي تده.
No way.
Okay.
Everything is okay.
Zindabad. Thank you. It's from Pakistan.
I'm from Sawat. Actually, this is North India, very cold area.
MashaAllah. Yes, good.
You know Sawat?
Sawad.
Like, you know,
Sawad, Sreki, Balochi, Punjabi, Kashmiri, كله.
You are been there?
Yes.
Oh.
أنا باكستاني.
Oh.
شكرا. Thank you.